Light rail. Light rail trains are designed for short and medium distance travel, usually within cities and nearby suburbs. They are lighter than traditional railway trains and often share streets with cars in some areas, while using dedicated tracks in others. Modern light rail systems grew from older streetcar networks that were upgraded to carry more passengers. They offer a comfortable way to reduce road traffic and connect neighborhoods with business districts, schools, and shopping areas.
Metro train. Metro trains, also called subway or underground trains in many places, are built for busy city transportation. They usually run on tracks that are completely separated from road traffic, either underground, above the streets, or on fenced rail lines. Because they never have to wait for cars or traffic lights, metro trains can run very frequently and carry thousands of people every hour. They have become one of the most important parts of public transportation in many large cities around the world.
Commuter train. Commuter trains connect suburbs and nearby towns with city centers. They are mainly used by people traveling to work or school during the morning and evening rush hours. These trains often have fewer stops than metro systems, allowing passengers to cover longer distances more quickly. Many commuter rail networks have existed for over a century and continue to help growing cities manage daily travel. Regional train. Regional trains travel between cities, towns, and rural areas within the same region or state. They usually stop at more stations than long-distance trains, making them useful for local travel as well as longer trips. Their schedules are designed to serve a wide range of passengers instead of only commuters. Regional trains help connect communities that may not have airports or major highways nearby. Intercity train. Intercity trains are built to travel between major cities over longer distances. They generally stop only at important stations, allowing passengers to reach their destinations faster than regional services. Comfortable seating, larger luggage areas, and onboard facilities make them suitable for journeys lasting several hours. Before air travel became common, intercity trains were one of the main ways people traveled across countries. High-speed train. High-speed trains are among the fastest trains in the world, often reaching speeds well above 250 kilometers per hour. They operate on specially designed tracks that allow safe travel at very high speeds. Countries such as Japan, France, China, and Spain have invested heavily in these rail systems to connect major cities efficiently. High-speed trains reduce travel time, lower traffic congestion, and offer an alternative to short-distance flights. Maglev train. Maglev trains move without traditional wheels touching the rails. Instead, they use powerful magnets to lift and guide the train above the track, greatly reducing friction. This technology allows for extremely smooth and fast travel. Although maglev systems are still limited to a few locations because of their high construction costs, they represent one of the most advanced forms of rail transportation.
Freight train. Freight trains are built to carry goods instead of passengers. They transport everything from food and fuel to cars, building materials, and shipping containers. Different types of freight cars are designed for specific cargo, such as tank cars for liquids or flat cars for heavy equipment. Freight rail plays a major role in global trade by moving large amounts of cargo efficiently over long distances. Steam train. Steam trains were the first widely successful railway locomotives. They work by heating water in a boiler to create steam, which powers the engine. During the 19th and early 20th centuries, steam trains transformed transportation and industry by making travel and shipping much faster than before. Today, most steam locomotives are preserved for museums, tourist railways, and historical events where they continue to remind people of the early days of rail travel. Diesel train. Diesel trains use diesel engines to generate the power needed for movement. Some drive the wheels directly, while others produce electricity that powers electric motors. They became popular because they were more efficient and required less maintenance than steam locomotives. Diesel trains remain common in areas where electrified rail lines have not yet been built.
Electric train. Electric trains receive power from overhead wires or a third rail instead of carrying large fuel tanks. Electric motors provide smooth acceleration, quieter operation, and lower emissions at the point of use. They are widely used for metro systems, commuter rail, and high-speed services. Although building the electrical infrastructure requires significant investment, electric trains are often cheaper to operate over time. Monorail. Monorails travel on a single rail instead of the traditional pair of tracks. The train either rides on top of the beam or hangs beneath it, depending on the design. They are often used in airports, theme parks, and some urban transit systems where space is limited. Their unique appearance makes them easy to recognize, while their elevated tracks help avoid conflicts with road traffic.
Rack railways. Rack railways are specially designed to climb very steep hills and mountains. A toothed rail is placed between the regular tracks, and a gear beneath the train locks into it for extra grip. This system allows trains to safely travel on slopes that ordinary trains cannot manage. Rack railways are commonly found in mountainous regions, where they provide access to scenic viewpoints, villages, and tourist destinations.
Funicular. Funicular railways use two connected cars that balance each other as they move up and down a steep slope. A cable pulls one car upward while the other moves downward, helping reduce the amount of energy required. Funiculars are especially useful in cities and mountain resorts where roads are too steep for regular trains. Their simple yet effective design has been used for well over a century.
Tourist train. Tourist trains are operated mainly to provide a memorable travel experience rather than everyday transportation. Many travel through beautiful landscapes, historic railways, or famous natural attractions. Some use restored steam locomotives, while others feature luxury coaches with large windows and dining services. These trains allow passengers to enjoy the journey itself as much as the destination.